Okay, I'm going to explain quick this JBL Connect stuff. And one thing I need to make sure is that Bluetooth I disconnect and I type in forget. Like when you're in your Bluetooth settings, in there, when you're in there and you have something like here where you say forget this device. So basically I forget this device and that device, and I only pair this one. Okay, so this was already paired before. The other ones the phone doesn't know, and that's how I start up. So this one is the one that will connect to Bluetooth. This one will not connect to Bluetooth, and this one will not connect to Bluetooth. Now they all three are on. So I have now in here, it says JBL P3 pulse 3 left connected. It's the only one that is connected. And then I go to my music and I play music, and I play on purpose not so loud so that we can hear it. So this one now has music running, and I don't need the JBL app to connect plus the whole situation. So let me leave my phone there, and now I'm going to start the Connect Plus stuff. So I click here on plus, and I click here on plus, and those two will go in party mode. You can hear this. Now I do not connect this on purpose now. I'm going to go into the JBL Connect app. And the JBL Connect app should discover the speaker, and it does. This one is discovered. That is not. So that's why I can't switch to stereo or whatever mode. Right, then I go here. You see that? Now I have both here, the left one and the right one. I'm in party mode, so both play the same stuff, and I can click on stereo. Voila, stereo mode. Okay? Now, while they both play in stereo, I can add here this one as the third speaker, and I just click the Connect Plus button, and then that speaker will join the team. It just did. The only problem now is you cannot switch to stereo anymore. It will stay in party mode, so stereo mode is not possible. It's not possible with more than two, then you can't do stereo. Right, then it's always party mode. Alright.